group of Christian youths in Nigeria said they will hold a peaceful protest in Abuja on Wednesday, the 21st of May 2025. The group, called the Concerned Christian Youth Forum (CCYF), said they are upset about what they called planned attacks on Christianity and church leaders. They believe those attacks could lead to religious conflict if nothing is done. Christianity and our leaders are being disrespected in a way that looks organized and well-funded, said James Paul Adama, the group's leader. Besides religious issues, the group is also worried about growing insecurity and killings happening across the country. In March, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs said reports about targeted attacks on Christians are not true. The government said most violence in the country is due to general insecurity and not based on religion. A government spokesperson explained that many attacks happen in the mostly Muslim northern areas and affect people of all faiths. However, the federal government said spreading false stories about religious attack can cause more problems. As the protest date gets closer, the Christian youth say they will continue to speak up until the government take action to protect everyone. We'll continue to supply you real-time news updates and exclusive videos. And keep a close eye on this story as it develops. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.